Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, March 2, 2022. Yesterday was the first trading day of the month. We saw a little bit of weakness come into the markets yesterday. We closed below the prior day closing price, below the open. So we started the month on a weak note. And here we are on the second day of the month, and we're seeing the market trading up a little bit in the overnight session. So we'll take a look at what has happened on this second trading day of the month. Let me go ahead and get it set up here. Grabbing all four instruments. The setup will be based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, we are trading higher in the overnight session, not significantly, but we are gapping up so far. So I've added that to the test by clicking on gap up here. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the indicators library. I'm going to say that we closed below the 200-day simple moving average. I can grab that from our moving averages here, or I could grab it from our active today section. And I'm going to leave out the 10-day. We did close below the 10-day moving average yesterday, but we don't get a ton of samples if we get too specific below a 200-day simple moving average. So I'm just going to leave it out. And then I'm going to go into the calendar library, and I'm going to go to the unique days from the active today. And that bottom option says day after first day of the month. So I've added that. Now I can click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when you are gapping up on the second trading day of the month, and the prior session closed below a 200-day simple moving average. Historically, just 21 samples here for the S&P. We've got 18 in the NASDAQ, 26 in the Dow, 33 in the Russell. Win rates on them a little bit favored in the S&P and NASDAQ. So S&P coming in 62%, NASDAQ 67%. Dow only 46% and Russell 45%. So two of them favored, two just a touch weak historically speaking. And then if we go to the average win versus average loss, you can see the average loss is larger than the average win here on the S&P. For the NASDAQ, the average win is larger. For the Dow, the average win is larger. For the Russell, the average win is larger. So 3 out of the 4 instruments have larger average wins compared to their average losses. And then the win rates on them are split 2 and 2. So 2 of them coming in a little bit favored and 2 just a little bit weak. So a little bit mixed there. But generally speaking, the bigger moves have been on the upside historically. And the S&P and the NASDAQ have win rates that are a little bit higher than the other two, meaning that their win rates here are showing what percentage of them have closed above the open historically on this session. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.